Right, welcome back. Let's do question 312b. Consider the function f of x equal to negative 3 tan x. Hence, or otherwise, write down the equation of h if h is a reflection of f about the x-axis. So we're reflecting f of x about the x-axis. So it means h of x is equal to negative f of x. We are reflecting f of x about the x-axis. Just remember that reflection about the x-axis, f of x becomes negative f of x. And then reflection about the y-axis, f of x becomes f of negative x. So this is a reflection about the x-axis. So then h of x is equal to negative 3 tan x. So meaning that h of x is equal to 3 tan x. Okay, that's the reflection of f of x about the x-axis, giving us what? H of x.